Who introduced economics as a science? A. Marshall, B. Robbins, C. Adam Smith, D. Keynes. The correct answer is B. Robbins. Robbins introduced the economics as a science. 2. Slope of marginal utility curve is A. Negative, B. Positive, C. Zero, D. Fixed. The correct answer is negative. The slope of marginal utility curve is negative. 3. When price decreases, then demand A. Increases, B. Decreases, C. Zero, D. Constant. Correct answer is A. Increases. When price decreases, then demand increases. 4. When marginal utility is 0, then total utility is 1. Maximum, A. Maximum, B. Minimum, C. Zero, D. Constant. Correct answer is A. Maximum. When marginal utility is 0, then total utility is maximum. 5. Average revenue, marginal revenue and price are equal in A. Perfect competition, B. Monopoly, C. Consumers equilibrium, D. Firms equilibrium. The correct answer is perfect competition. Average revenue, marginal revenue and price are equal in perfect competition. Perfect competition. 6. The name of law of increasing return is A. Law of diminishing return, B. Law of increasing cost, C. Law of constant return, D. None. The correct answer is A. Law of diminishing cost. Or the name of law of increasing return is law of diminishing cost. 7. Number of firms in monopoly is A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. Unlimited. Correct answer is 1. Number of firms in monopoly is 1. 8. Control over price under perfect competition is A. Perfect, B. Imperfect, C. Normal, D. No control. Correct answer is D. No control. Control over price under perfect competition is no control. 9. Period for national income is A. 1 year, B. 2 years, C. 3 year, D. 4 year. Correct answer is 1 year. 10. Private income means A. Personal income, B. Government income, C. Family income, D. Old income. Correct answer is personal income. 11. Level of living due to increase in national income. The answer is increases. 12. There is positive relationship between price and quality of money. A. Banking, B. Quantity theory of money, D. C. Deflation, D. Purchasing power. Quantity theory of money. 13. Advantage of international trade. A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. Various. And the correct answer is D. Various. 14. Who described the principle of taxation? A. Marshall, B. Robbins, C. Keynes, D. Adam Smith. The correct answer is Adam Smith. 15. Microeconomics relates to A. International trade, B. Behavior of a firm, C. National income, D. Personal income. The correct answer is behavior of firm, B. 16. Word of economics has been derived from economos, which is word of language. A. Latin, B. French, C. English, D. German. A. Latin. It's confusion. Economics is Greek word. Economics is Greek word. I think this is wrong. 17. Which law is hidden in the following? Law of equimarginal utility, law of supply, law of demand, law of diminishing marginal utility. Which law is hidden in the following? Law of equity marginal utility. 18. When price increases, the supply A. Rise, B. Falls, C. Expands, D. Contract. C. Expands. The slope of supply is A. Positive, B. Vertical, C. Horizontal, D. Negative. The slope of supply is A. Positive. The equilibrium of the market is QD minus QS equals to 0. Option number B. Average revenue is equal to price. 22. The firm earns abnormal profit when AR equals to AC. AR is greater than AC. In short period, fixed cost curve has a tendency of B. Parallel to OX axis. Friend of Allah Almighty is A. Lever. 25. Quantity theory of money was presented in formula by. Answer is A. Fisher. Inflation will be useful for. The answer is D. Industrialist. Inflation is not useful for laborers, consumers, and pensioners. Inflation will be useful for industrialist. 27. Phase of trade cycle are 4. 28. Included in visible commodities are A. Service, B. Goods, C. Interest, D. Banks. Included in visible commodities are C. Interest. The rate of USHAR of lands irrigated by canal is USHAR of lands irrigated by canal is 12%. Wealth of Nation was written by Adam Smith. Slope of demand curve is negative. 32. When price falls, then supply A extends. C. The when marginal utility is 0, then total utility it is. The answer is maximum. 34. 34. Average revenue is equal to A. Price. What is the other name of law of diminishing return? Answer is the law of increasing cost. Number of firm in all 36. The number of firm in monopoly is 1. 37. Factory production are 4. 30. Time duration of national income is 1 year. 39. Personal income means A. Private income. Living standard due to increase in national income. A. Increases. 41. Price in inflation. Hazur. Price in inflation increases. 42. Phase of trade cycle are 4. 43. 43. Advantages of international trades are various. 4. Who describes the canons of taxation? Adam Smith. 45. Problem of scarcity and choice is called economic problem. 46. Slope of supply curve is positive. 47. Due to change in price, the demand of salt and water will be constant. 48. Reward of labor is called wages. 49. Changes in total revenue is called marginal revenue. 50. In which period all four factors of production are variable? The long run. Those ones which do not require money is C. Non-economic. 52. Quantity demand is 12 minus 2 is related to demand. If exports are more than imports, then situation is named surplus balance. Personal income minus direct tax equals to D. Disposable income.